Changing the batteries on your smart door lock starts by removing the cover. There's a couple different models, but primarily you want to remove the screws located on the right and on the left side. Once the screws have been removed, you want to pull the faceplate off, and this will reveal the inside of the device. At the very top, there'll be a label called doors, and it'll point towards the doors with some arrows. By putting fingers on the left and the right side, pull straight out, and this will expose the batteries. After replacing the batteries, ensure that the arrows go back towards the door. Your door lock may beep a couple times, and then reattach the front cover. You may have to swivel the inside to match to ensure that it goes on properly. And then reinsert the screws. You're all set.